You're listening to the Sporty Pod, episode 2 of the Champions League semi-final analysis between Manchester City and PSG played in past their princes. So, 3 parts of the video. First I'll talk about Man City, then I'll talk about PSG, and then about overview of the game. Let's start with Man City. Man City very poor in the first half, phenomenal in the second half. That's what they do. I personally thought that Man City are back doing what they do in Champions League semi-finals, but Pep Guardiola, Kevin De Bruyne, brilliance from Riyad Mahrez, amazing in the defense. That's what they did, that's what they do. That's why they are maybe the Premier League champions this season. So Man City started with Foden, De Bruyne and Riyad Mahrez, and 4 in the defense, Cancelo, Ruben Dias and John Stones, along with Kyle Walker. 4-3-3, the typical Pep Guardiola style, passing, tiki-taka and then goal. That was what he wanted in the first half, but PSG being brilliant in the second half. We'll talk ahead of that, but PSG was very good in the first half. City were being dominated by PSG, if to be honest, in the first half. They had some chances, Bernardo Silva had some, they were trying to do it along, but PSG were brilliant. And then second half, I don't know what happened, they come out and Man City were Man City. Kevin De Bruyne with that brilliant goal, Riyad Mahrez with amazing free kick goal. I don't know what happened over there in PSG, and PSG completely lost it over there, and Man City dominated and winning there with 2 away goals and a hand in the final. Very well done from Pep Guardiola, very well done from Kevin De Bruyne, very well done from City. Now talking about PSG, what went wrong? The first half was brilliant. They were passing the ball around, the defense was pretty good, and there was a good thing from Pochettino, 4-2-3-1. That's how they play in the League One as well. Florenzi, Marquinhos, Kimpembe and Becker, they were doing really well in the defense. Second half they go in 1-0 ahead. They come back and they're shattered in the second half. What went wrong? I didn't get it. So there were these chills, maybe, that they were scared and they weren't able to do what they wanted. They panicked, we can say. I don't know what. Mbappe completely disappeared. He distracted Barcelona. Again, he distracted Barcelona. He was brilliant against Bayern Munich, but disappeared against Man City. I mean, if you look at the stats, Ederson, Man City's goalkeeper, has more touches than Mbappe. A poor game for him, and Neymar were again brilliant. I can't stop talking about him. He played one player who was all over the pitch, sometimes in the defense, giving the passes, rolling around, those black heels. Credit to Neymar for a brilliant game, but Angel Di Maria again, he also had a very good game. He was the best amongst the front 3 for PSG, being subbed off later of course. But Angel Di Maria again a good game, but PSG as a lot, they struggled in the second half, resulting in the defeat, and I guess they deserved it. Let's talk about the game now. The game started with a brilliant goal in the 13th minute, I guess. Yeah, 15th minute, with Marquinhos hitting a brilliant header, the captain stepping up for PSG, and the game went on, and then first half was over. PSG dominated. Everybody is like, PSG is back, they are going to be the first time champions, this, that. And then comes Man City, Pep Guardiola. I don't know what magic this guy did, and the game turned. Brilliant goal from Kevin De Bruyne in the 64th minute, and then a free kick followed by Riyad Mahrez. There was something about between De Bruyne and Mahrez, and stumble from PSG over there again, very poor from them, and Riyad Mahrez scores. And then in the 77th minute, Guy given a red card, and PSG looked completely clueless what's happening, and Man City, being Man City, took advantage and won the game. So it was brilliant, and we could see PSG struggling there. So what do I think, who will go ahead? it was a pretty intense game, and now Man City have 2 away goals, remember, and Man City playing in Etihad. I tip Guardiola to do it. I tip Man City to go all the way to the final, and I'm also tipping that it will be an all English Champions League final in Istanbul. I tip Man City to go ahead. So let's see what happens. Thank you for watching this. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything, it is welcome in the comment section. Thank you for listening to Sporty Pod. You can listen to us in Google Podcast or in Spotify. We are leaving all the links in the below. Thank you for watching.